Welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Magic Mechanical Learning Tutorials. So in this video I am talking about a derivation for following relations at the constant pressure process. So in which that will be the work done equal to gamma minus 1 upon gamma into Q. So now starting with W upon Q, that will be equal to the work done. So P into V2 minus V1 divided by heat supply, and that will be representing at a constant pressure, that will be mCp T2 minus T1. Now from the relation PV equal to mRT, so apply for P V2 minus V1, so that will be mR T2 minus T1 divided by mCp T2 minus T1. So simply m cancel out, T2 minus T1 is also cancel out. So here R divided by Cp. But we all know the relation of the R with the Cp and Cv. R is equal to Cp minus Cv. So now just put the value of R, Cp minus Cv, that will be divided by Cp. So here 1 minus Cv upon Cp. But we already know that Cp upon Cv, that will be equal to gamma. So just put the value of Cp upon Cv, that will be 1 minus 1 upon gamma. So gamma minus 1 upon gamma, and that will be equal to W divided by Q. So from that W equal to gamma minus 1 upon gamma into Q. So that will be the relation I want to prove that. Now similarly for the second relations, work done and internal energy, so similarly W, that means work done, divided by internal energy. So here for the work done, similar, P into V2 minus V1, internal energy, that means M into Cv T2 minus T1. Once again similar, P V2 minus V1, it will be converting into mR T2 minus T1. So mR T2 minus T1 divided by mCv T2 minus T1. So once again cancel out. So R upon Cv. Once again value of R, that will be Cp minus Cv. So Cp minus Cv divided by Cv. So Cp upon Cv minus 1. So we all know Cp upon Cv, that will be equal to gamma minus 1. So that will be equal to, from here, delta U. So W, that will be equal to gamma minus 1 into at W. So that will be the relation of work done and heat supply at constant pressure, and second case, work done and internal energy at constant pressure. So both are at constant pressure, right? So thank you very much. If you like it, then subscribe, share.